So overall, on the monthly time frame, the euro dollar is bearish, but it's currently in a complex pullback, as you can see here. So this complex pullback may end at this extreme point of interest because the dealing range we have currently is from this higher low to this lower low here, right? So as you can see, price already in the premium zone, so it's wise to be looking for shorts. So what you may see in this month, August, that just started, is price may give us a small bullish push to this extreme point of interest and maybe continue going down since price is bearish on a monthly time frame. But another possibility is that price will again continue going up and then create a breakout structure here. Oh no, I mean a change of character, because this was the breakout structure, so this will be a change of character and price will continue going up. But since price is bearish, I'll just follow the trend and only consider this bearish move possibility. So now I'll look at the weekly time frame. So going to the weekly time frame, let me enable the charts. Yeah, so you can see price is bearish, just like on the monthly time frame, price is bearish. So it was in a bearish market, as you can see here. Then it tried to create a change of character. Then buyers were in control for some time after this change of character, but they failed, and eventually sellers gained control after this change of character. And now, just like on the monthly time frame, price is currently in a bullish complex pullback, which again may end at this weekly extreme point of interest. So again, I'm anticipating a bullish push on the weekly time frame to this extreme point of interest, and then after that I'll be waiting for price to give us a bearish direction. But then again, it's not guaranteed. Price might as well just continue bullish and create another change of character here. Now going to the daily time frame, you can see price is currently in a bullish market, which makes sense because on the monthly it's bearish, and I'm anticipating a small bullish move to mitigate the point of interest. Again, on the weekly, price is in a bullish complex pullback, and I'm anticipating it to mitigate an extreme point of interest before going down. So it makes sense for for daily time frame to be bullish so that it can go to the weekly time frame point of interest. So as you can see here, price have already taken out inducement, making this a valid high, and this is the last valid lower high we have, and this is our swing low, this is our swing high, and price is currently in a premium zone, so we can look for sales as well for shorts targeting. There's no any valid point of interest here, so I'll not be looking for like targets for entering the trades or exiting the trades because there's no any confluence. But for directional bias, daily time frame is bullish. Now going to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is currently bearish. So this was the breakout structure created, then price broke below this lower high, creating a new change of character, meaning price was now bearish, and this order flow is already mitigated, so you can no longer consider it. And then price took out inducement here, meaning we now have a new valid lower low, which was created here. So our dealing range is now from this previous higher high to this previous lower low, and price is currently in a premium zone, so it's wise to be looking for shorts. But as you can see, everything here has been mitigated except for this imbalance, which is right here, which was tapped again last week. Yeah, so since this is tapped, price might as well just continue bearish from this imbalance. But for entry confluences, we'll be looking at the 1-hour time frame for day trading and the 5 minutes for entries. So as for the 1-hour directional bias, I'll switch on to the 1-hour chart. So on the 1-hour chart, you can see that price is in a bearish market, just like on the 4-hour time frame, and it for the change of character here, and there's an order flow which is not yet mitigated, and there's some liquidity you can see forming just below that order flow, which is a retail liquidity from this point to this point. So when the market opens, it's possible that price will go and take out this liquidity, mitigating this order flow, then maybe continue down. But then again, there's another liquid lying on the sell side, which is this one right here. So again, price may go for that liquidity first before going up, take out the sell liquidity, then go for the buy liquidity, then continue going down. But just go for the buyer's liquidity and then continue going down. So this is for the 1-hour time frame. Now going to the entry time frame, I'll be looking at the 5 minutes. So on 5 minutes, you can see price is in a bullish market, it seems, because it created this change of character. Then after that, inducement was taken out, making this a valid high, this is a valid lower low, and this is the extreme point of interest, which is not yet mitigated. So what I was saying on the 1 hour time frame, that price may first go for the sell side liquidity. So price may go down to mitigate this point of interest. So we see something like this, then a bullish continuation up since price is in a bullish market. So yeah, basically this is what I have on EURUSD on the 5 minutes time frame. So the monthly time frame, the 5 minutes. I hope I was clear and everything is clear now. So I'll leave this time for questions. If anyone have a question on EURUSD, feel free to type in the chat and I can answer your questions. This helps me a lot. Okay, thank you, bro. Can you tell me valid pullback? Analyze your AUD USD order block below price mitigate for going up. Why didn't you take the order flow on H4PYI? Okay, guys. I just explained this as I see the markets. Of course, everyone sees the market differently, but this is what I'm seeing and this is what I'll be trading this week.